Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how the position of the Fermi level will change depending on the doping concentration in the p-type semiconductor. So, the doping concentration will control the position of the Fermi level in a p-type semiconductor. Let us see how it is controlling. So, effect of doping. Let us say that the doping concentration is increased, that is, the acceptor concentration Na has been increased in such a manner that Na value is greater than the Nv value. So, what will happen that from the equation of EFP we can say that EFP minus EV will be less than 0. That means the EFP value will be less than EV. So, this can be concluded that if the doping concentration is so high such that the Na concentration is greater than the Nv value, then the Fermi level position in the p-type semiconductor will be low than the Ev. That is, if this is the conduction band and if it is the valence band, so it will be Ev, it will be Ec. Then the Fermi level position for this condition Na greater than Nv will be below the Ev energy level. So, this is the EFP position for Na greater than Nv. That is, the Fermi level is now within the valence band, and this type of semiconductor where the Fermi level is within the valence band is called the p-type degenerate semiconductor. So, p-type degenerate semiconductor. So, in this p-type degenerate semiconductor, EFP will be within valence band. That means the conductivity of this semiconductor has now been increased. So, we can say as the doping concentration, that is Na, is increased, then the Fermi level Ef moves towards the valence band maxima and when Na is greater than Nd, then EFP will move inside the valence band, and it is a p-type degenerate semiconductor. We can also say, as the Na value is increased, the conductivity of the p-type semiconductor, that is sigma p-type, will increase by a significant amount. So ultimately we can see that as the Na is increasing, that is the doping is increasing in a p-type semiconductor, then EFP is taking a downward shift towards the EV, and this shift can be written by a equation given as shift in the position of EF due to doping, or we can say shift in the position of EF with respect to EFI, that is the intrinsic Fermi level position, or shift in the position of Fermi level in the p-type with respect to the middle of the band gap will be given by shift is equals to minus kT ln Na by Ni in electron volt. So this will give the shift of the Fermi level position in the p-type, and this shift is nothing but the EFP minus EFI, and this minus sign comes from the fact that EFP will always be less than the EFI, and this EFP is moving in a downward direction. So let us draw different Fermi level position in the p-type semiconductor for different doping concentration. So for that, let us take the conduction band, and this is the valence band maxima. So it is EV, it is EC, this is the conduction band, this will be the valence band, and let us assume that this is the middle of the band gap, and the band gap is this amount, and this is Eg mid. So let us take three different doping concentration in the p type, that is Na1, Na2 and Na3, such that Na1 is greater than Na2 and Na2 is greater than Na3, and also define that for this doping concentration Na1, the Fermi level position is EFP1, and for Na2 the Fermi level position is EFP2, and for the doping concentration Na3 the Fermi level is EFP3. So let us draw this EFP1 and EFP2 and EFP3. So since the Na1 is the highest doping concentration, so we can say that the Fermi level position of EFP1 will be nearest to the EV. So this will be the EFP1. Similarly, the EFP2 position will be just above the EFP1. So this is EFP2, and EFP3 is the smallest doping concentration of the acceptor ion, so it will be farthest from the EV. And if the doping concentration is that is Na is very high, such that Na is greater than Nv, then the Fermi level position will come inside the valence band, that is this EFP, and this is for the degenerate semiconductor. So this is all about how the doping concentration in the p-type semiconductor controls the position of the Fermi level in the semiconductor. Thank you.